Hey y'all, disregard this huge bun on top of my head. I'll take it down later so you guys will see that. But I'm here with my babies, Taylor and Cam. Cam is 2. Oh. Okay. Oh, this bun is crazy. Cam is 2 months today. So we were taking pictures of him. Say hi, Cam. Cam. Say hey, Stink. Say hi. You're so handsome. And Miss Taylor is over here. She cleaned that nose, ain't she, y'all? So we are about to make some snowflakes together. And then I also have to show you guys the stuff that I got for my dream board and to prepare for going into next year. I still have to make a stop to get some more stuff. She just got super excited. Here.
But I put my hand here.
Okay.
Hi guys, my name is Tillie. My friend is Vlogmas. So we are home and Dad at work. And you like my Christmas, you guys? So Mommy planned for us, cause
Mommy what?
Mommy just bought it for us.
Oh, I bought the two for you.
Yeah, and we got presents here. Oh.
What you do? Come here. Oh.
We got presents here.
And
So we got Christmas right here. Always see. So we got a lot of stuff here. You want me to show my room is clean? And that's Mommy, Taylor, Daddy, Cam. So my brother's right here. Cam is really crazy. Look his face, look Mommy's face.
you better not be close up in my face. You're crazy. Did somebody open your necklace?
No. See, no. No.
Alright, y'all, we're about to go ahead and make some snowflakes. I'm gonna put Cam down in the swing. And then I will talk to you guys a little bit later. Alright, you guys. So, I'm gonna, my voice is a little low because Cam is over there asleep. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got from the store before we do our little arts and crafts, because I'm gonna let Taylor use some of the stuff for the snowflakes. So, the first thing I picked up was a planner. I have been using the Happy Planner for like 3 or 4 years now. And if you guys don't know, it's from Michael's. This is like what the little logo looks like. And the reason why I love it so much, I'm going to show you. So basically, when my schedule was so busy when I was working full time, my schedule was busy. I was working full time, I was doing my business, I had the YouTube going, and then I also was in school working on my doctorate. So just wanted to show you guys how this planner allowed me to break up my day. And this is not sponsored.
Let's go do it.
Hold on, boo. So let's say this is one day right here. So this little rectangle box here, I would put stuff for my job in this box. In this box, I would put stuff for school. And in this box, I would put when my uploads would be for YouTube, as well as people I had to call for my business and stuff I had to do for that. So that's how I kept organized with having so many things going on in my life with this. So I love this planner because they have different ones. They have ones for teachers. They have one for people who want to work out and stuff like that. I decided to grab the budget one, the budget edition, and basically it has weekly spending, as well as what else? Let me show you guys like the little monthly joint. Okay, it has a monthly budget too, and CJ, I told you guys in a previous vlog, CJ and I have recently started doing a monthly budget and it's been going great. So I love this. Like, it's all broken down. And what's crazy, I went to the store searching for like a little budget book and I couldn't find one. It's perfect for me to have all of those things in one because I don't like carrying a whole bunch of notebooks around. So yeah, this is my book. I also love that it has like different quotes in it that are very relatable to me. So like, hustle hard, girl. That's cute. If I'm like doing a call or something, sometimes I like jot notes down on these pages. And then this one says, do something today that your future self will thank you for. Just cute, simple quotes. You got this. Stuff you need to see as you're going through your year. Get money, okay? Anything is possible if you got enough nerve. I just love the quotes. And then even this one on the front, the secret of getting ahead is getting started. Like, I hate when people are like just so hesitant about getting started. Just do it, girl. Like, you just never know, just do it. So yeah, this is my planner for the year. And it's actually, I'm looking at my one from this year. This one is actually thinner than that one, so that's pretty cool. But yes, I love this planner, y'all. And you know that Michael's always have deals going on where you can like get 60% off, 40% off, 50% off. So so I got this. In addition to that, I got some sticker books. This is for my vision board now. So I got these stickers here, and it's just a whole bunch of different stuff. Yeah, different goals on stickers. Of course, I'm not gonna use all of these, but yeah, little stickers. Then my 30th birthday is coming up this year. I know I'm being old. I want to do some type of vacation with my family, or at least my husband. So I got this little airplane sticker. I'm gonna put it on my vision board. Like, yes, everything y'all should go on your vision board. Anything that you want. So plane tickets, what's this? Suitcase, passport. I don't know if we're gonna go out of the country, but I like this. So I got this. We're not opening the stickers right now. And then I also got these because my tribe is everything to me. My tribe is everything to me, and the people on my team and stuff like that. So just want to like uplift myself on my dream board for that. And like the relationships and stuff like that that I am building with my team. So got these little cute girl stickers, girly, friendship, tribe, my tribe, girl gang. And we do have guys on the team too, but I personally enroll women more so than men. So then I got some glue sticks. Definitely gonna let Taylor have one of these, so we're gonna use this today. I also purchased her some real scissors. I got some from Dollar Tree, but that one it doesn't cut really well, so I picked these up for her. And I always look at developmental milestones just from the field that I was in, so I just want to make sure that she is on target with her, or on track with her developmental milestones. So I picked these scissors up. So I picked these scissors up for her so she can work on her cutting and stuff like that. She should be able to cut a straight line at least, as she's like approaching 4 years old. So we're gonna use those for our snowflakes. And I saw this at the store and I was like, I have to get that because it's gonna be so easier for me to like stick magazine pieces and pictures and stuff like that on my dream board. So I just picked this up, and yeah, it's a tape runner. So love this. And then lastly, this was on sale, so I went ahead and grabbed this too. So just like something I could take notes on, because y'all, like when I'm doing calls and stuff like that, I like to jot down notes sometimes as I'm talking to my business partners. So I grabbed this. This was on sale for $9.99, and then it also comes with stickers too. So busy day, oh my god, is it Friday yet, workout, stuff like that, and then like little sticky notes. So I got this too for $10. So that's everything I got. I still have to go and get some magazines. My business partner, she's always like on point with like deals and stuff like that and getting stuff on a budget. So she told me to go to the library. She said they have magazines for the Lolo there, or I can go to Goodwill and just pick up some. So that is where I'm going to get magazines, because magazines are expensive. In the last 2 years that I've done dream boards, I actually had magazines being sent to my house, but now that we've moved, that girl probably keeping my magazines that, you know, purchased our last house. She's probably keeping my magazines, so no shade. But yeah, that's what I purchased from Michael's for my dream board. So I'll keep you guys posted on us doing that on Sunday. Taylor is about to make, come here, boo-boo. She's so sleepy. Come here. Me and Taylor, or Taylor and I, are about to do our first arts and craft. What do you want to make? Do you want to make a Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Or listen, or do you want to make a snowman, or do you want to make a snowflake? Which one?
Snowflake first.
A snowflake first. So the first thing we're gonna do.
And then we're gonna make the tree too.
A tree, Christmas tree.
That's Christmas tree. And we make presents. It's gonna be so fun.
All right. So I don't know how she's gonna do with these scissors, y'all, but we're gonna try. We're gonna try today. So,
okie dokie. Let's get started. Okay. Shirt like this, and then do a snowflake.
so y'all, just FYI, I'm eating. So,
Mommy, that's how you do. You're doing this, and do this, and this, and this, and this. That's how you do it.
okay. So I picked these little activities. This is the first time we're doing this. So I just went right to Pinterest and I just searched snowflake crafts for preschool. And it popped right up. Okay. So what we're gonna do first is fold.
Snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortunes.
So we finished our art. This is mine. And this is Taylor. You're supposed to color it, Taylor. She wrote her name. Ooh, Taylor, what's going on with that Y? The monkey tail going the wrong way. And she's crying, y'all, because I told her I have to do some work now. You don't color it? You don't color mommy's and yours?
Yeah.
Go get your markers. It's white. You can color it any color you want to.
I want white.
Stop talking like a baby. Lord, y'all. Y'all, I am crying laughing, okay? Look, move, Taylor.
This is so disrespectful.
Look at my husband. Y'all, this is so embarrassing, first of all. But I have to share this. My husband just came home. He wore these shoes to work today.
But when I walked out the house, they won't like this stuff. And that's what I did. I sat at my desk most of the time. Yeah, and I'm gonna send Timberland something about this. So but no, this is the funny thing though.
Are you in a fur right now? Are you in a fur?
What? This is the funny. Stop laughing, man. You've been clowning. Stop clowning before I clown you. No,
move, Taylor.
No, this is the funny
Tell
thing.
me from start to finish, babe. What
know,
happened? How did you walk out the house with that?
When I walked at the house, they weren't like this. They were still intact. That's when I walked through the snow at work. That's when I guess they got soft or whatever. But you know, throughout the whole day, as I was walking, you know, like the little brown stuff was coming out. In my area, you know what I'm saying? As I was walking, like little brown pieces coming out. So I was with my co-workers. I sitting at his desk, and I had left his desk, and another co-worker who sat across from him was like, "What is that?" You know what I'm saying? On the floor. So Fitz is like, "I don't know what it is," you know. So he got a piece of tissue. Hold on, stop. This dude got a piece of tissue. This dude got a piece of tissue talking about, hey man, well he didn't tell me about overheard him telling the Carrie. That's a cupcake, that's a piece of cupcake. Cause Carrie thought it was some doo-doo. Cause it was, I know ain't nobody walking with no doo-doo on their shoes.
Oh my God.
He was like, man, I don't know who,
oh my God.
I don't know who came up in here with some brownie droplets.
Oh my God. How did you not? You didn't laugh?
Yeah, I was weak. We was all weak.
You won't crying, baby?
I was crying laughing.
Did you tell them with your shoes?
Yeah, I showed him, man.
What did he say?
He said, well, you got a blowout. You showed me that.
They said what?
He's like, you had a blowout, didn't you?
Oh my goodness, yo. That was so funny, man. Because I don't even know why you tried that. First, you had them shoes since college. What was you thinking?
Well, they were still intact, man.
No, he got them shoes from Rugged Warehouse.
Wow.
You did, man. I remember you telling me it was a steal.
Rugged Warehouse.
Where you get them from? Where you get them from? Y'all, oh my gosh. Go ahead and put the crying faces in the comments, because I know y'all weak.
Both shoes were falling apart throughout the whole day.
All I gotta say, that left consistent with that right, because they done fell apart the same way. Yeah. Same day. So, babe, when did the black part come off? Because I know your feet was your feet wet, babe?
No, it wasn't wet.
Was it cold, them heels?
No. It didn't happen until later on.
Babe, you won't crying laughing.
Yeah, I was weak. When he was talking about I was weak. Because he was like, man, y'all got this tissue. I picked it up. I think it's a cupcake.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness,